We have a portable wash machine. It came in the mail yesterday. And we're going to do our first review on it and wash our first load. So these are the holes that you hook up to your sink, but mine don't hook up to my sink, so we're just going to pour water in. This is the little spin bucket that comes with it. So you just take this out like so. And we're going to begin to put our first load in with the water. So we have our first load in. These are light clothes, underwear, and socks of kids' underwear and socks. So it's very light, but this takes up to 6.5 pounds. So I'm assuming that's about 6.5 pounds. Okay, guys, so I have all the water in. And now we're just going to add our detergent. Well, we probably need a little bit more. I like it real clean.
No, it's not. Because you cannot reach it. No, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. Okay, now we set it to wash. Set the timer to 15 minutes. And just watch it go.
Mommy. Mommy.
What's now?
Dude.
It's okay. Okay, the clothes has finished. And to let the water out, you unattach this and just let the water go down the drain.